Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will introduce top 10 private engineering colleges in India. Along with this, I will discuss the exam to get admission in a college, the average package of the college, and the ranking, that is NIRF rank of a college, and the fee structure of every college. So before starting this video, I would like to request you to subscribe my channel information and educational video to get more information in future. So let us start with the first one, that is number 10 college, that is SRM Chennai. The exam that you have to clear for this college is SRM JEE, and the NIRF rank of this college is 36, and the average package is 5 lakh per year, and fee for this college is 2.5 lakh per year. The next, that is number 9 college, is Kalinga Institute of Technology, that is situated in Bhubaneswar. The NIRF rank of this college is 48. The average package is 5 lakh per annum, and the exam you have to clear is KIIT, and the fee for this college is 3.7 lakh per year. The next, that is number 8 college, is Dhirubhai Ambani Institute of Information and Communication Technology. The exam you have to clear for this college is DAIICT. The NIRF rank of this college is 91, and the average package is 9 lakh per year. The fee for this college is 1.5 lakh per year. One thing should be noted here, that the college is only for CSE and IT. That's why the average package is so high. This college is not for the other branch, that is mechanical, civil, etc. The next, that is number 7 college, is Manipal Institute of Technology, that is situated in Karnataka. The exam you have to clear for this college is MUOET. The NIRF rank of this college is 43. The average package is 5.5 lakh per year, and the fee is 4 lakh per year. The next, that is number 6 college, is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, Bangalore. The exam you have to clear for this college is COMEDK, and the NIRF rank of this college is 64, and the average package is 6.5 lakh per year, which is very good, and the fee is 1 lakh per year, which is another good point about this college. The next, number 5. Now we are in top 5 private engineering college in India. That is number 5 is BIT Mesra Ranchi. The exam you have to clear for this college is JEE Main, and the NIRF rank of this college is 33. The average package is 7 lakh, and fee for this college is 3 lakh per year. The next, that is number 4 college, is RV College of Engineering, Bangalore. It is also comes under COMEDK. The NIRF rank of this college is 63, and the average package is 7 lakh, and the fee is 1 lakh per year. That's why it is here at number 4. The fee is very less. And the next, that is number 3 college, is Thapar University. It is situated in Patiala. The exam you have to clear is JEE Main, and the NIRF rank of this college is 23. The average package is 9 lakh per year, which is very good, and the fee is 3.3 lakh per year, which is acceptable for this type of college, that is ranked number 3 in India. And the next, that is number 2, is VIT Vellore, very famous VIT college. The exam you have to clear for this is VIT EEE, and the NIRF rank of this college is 18. It is better than many IITs of India. and the average package is 7 lakh per year and the fee is 2 lakh per year. Now the comes that is number one private engineering college in India is none other than BITS Pilani, Rajasthan. It has branches in Hyderabad, Goa also, but the Rajasthan one is the first top private college in India. It is ranked number one. The exam you have to clear is BITSET and the NRF rank of this college is 25. The average package is 10 lakh per year, which is very good, and the fee is 4 lakh. So that's it about the top 10 private engineering colleges in India. Thanks for watching. Keep watching for more information, and please do subscribe, like and share if you like this video. Thanks.